Well, hello there, guys and girls. Welcome to another episode of Cars of Ill Repute. Nah, I think I'll stick to the Scottish accent, to be honest with you. I'm sorry if you can't understand it. I don't really care. Sort of dirty one with a bit of a story with it. It's a repossession car, I think. It's been purchased from auction. I'm pretty sure it's a repo. So first up with this one is the grills. It's been pushed back. So we'll need to try and sort that out. Next up is we'll need to put the spare wheel on it because they've ran the tyre flat and they've wrecked the wheel basically. So there's a spare in the boot. We'll put the spare on it just to get it mobile. Car's been sitting a long time, so you get mould and sort of stuff here. That tends to be the case with repo cars because they get repossessed and then they've got to wait on all the sort of paperwork going through and change of ownership and what have you. Inside, well, do you know what? It's not as bad as it looks, this one, to be honest with you, but it's still filthy. I mean, the carpets are just gross, so they'll need a right good clean. In the back, what have we got in the back? Right, dirty carpets, boxes, cans, stuff like that. That's nothing hard to do about that. But we've got paint or something on the seats, so we'll need to try and get the paint out. If it's water based, hopefully it is, then we should be able to do something with it. In the back, a wee bit more paint or something that's been spilt, more junk. They seem to have a nice bottle collection going on all over the car, and all these edges and stuff is just pretty filthy and gross, really. See, there's a sort of layer of that sort of shiny grime. That's grease of people's bodies and stuff that's getting spilt and sweat and all the rest of it. Loads of junk lying about in it. Just that and stuff everywhere, so not terrible, but certainly dirty enough to need a good clean. Let's get it cleaned. Right, ladies and gentlemen, that's another one done. Looking bloody good if I do say so myself. Just need to get another wheel for it and that's it complete. Nice and shiny after being clay barred and waxed on the outside. Inside is looking good. What a difference. Seats are nice and clean. Look at that. No more junk in the doors. No more paint on the seats. The paint actually came off quite nicely, to be honest with you. It wasn't as hard as I thought. So, once again, just a wee bit of elbow grease. That's all it takes. Remember how shabby it looked in there to start with? It was horrible. Nice colour this car as well, I quite like it. So, nice and clean. All the cubby holes have been cleaned out. I've never known a car to have as many pockets and door pockets and glove boxes and wee holes to keep stuff in, but it's done. Well, I'm happy with that. So everyone, thanks very much for watching. If I get another really dirty one in before Christmas, I'll get a video made. If not, have a nice Christmas and I'll see you in January. Thanks for watching. Bye.